friends, and welcome back to Virtual Happy Hour. It's hard to believe, but Canada Day is just 1 week away. I have no idea where the last 4 months went, but I'm glad to have been spending them with you virtually, or maybe you're just happy to have been spending them with me, because honestly the interaction is pretty one-way with this whole Virtual Happy Hour situation. But I am very excited to announce that I have teamed up with Ninja Kitchen to host a giveaway of their incredible blender, which I have here, and I'm going to be using today to mix up a frozen cocktail, which I think you'll probably enjoy next week for Canada Day or throughout the summer. It is a Strawberry Rhubarb Slushie. So what we're doing here today is we're going to be using the Ninja Kitchen blender. I love that it has this like stackable blade. See how the blades kind of run all the way down the spine here? I think that's brilliant, because how many times have you used a blender and then had to like mash it up because the stuff at the top isn't blending? So that makes a whole lot of sense to me. Without further ado, we're gonna get started. I'm trying to use Canadian ingredients to celebrate Canada Day. As you can see, I'm wearing this Canada Day themed ensemble. This recipe is enough for 2 drinks, because hopefully you're sharing Canada Day with someone, even if it's socially distant interaction. We're gonna start off with 4 ounces of rye. I'm using Dillon's rye, an Ontario craft distiller. I'm gonna pour it directly into the jug of the Ninja Kitchen blender. I'm gonna be posting the giveaway on my feed. You can check out all instructions on how to enter. It's open to residents of Canada, 18 and older. Not affiliated with Instagram in any way, shape, or form. And it's gonna be open for about 2 weeks. So go ahead and check it out. All the entry instructions are there. And now we're gonna do 2 ounces of freshly squeezed lemon juice. I know Canada Day is definitely gonna be a little bit different this year. Would love to know, how will you be celebrating the occasion? Maybe you are lucky enough to have a cottage, or a pool, or even a balcony. Somewhere that you can spend it outside. Hopefully the weather cooperates. It seems like it's either pouring rain or 50 degrees on Canada Day. But we'll see. We'll see what happens this year. Hoping for some cooperative weather and some... Maybe my pool will be open by then. That would be really exciting. I need a little bit more lemon. And make sure you save some lemon for garnish at the end of this little concoction. There we go, there's our 2 ounces. And then we're gonna do 1 ounce of rhubarb syrup. I'll post the instructions for this and the whole recipe for this cocktail in the post with the giveaway as well. So 1 ounce of our rhubarb syrup. And then we're gonna add 2 cups of frozen strawberries. This is kind of mounded because they don't really fit all that well in this thing. And then this might seem a little bit weird, but black pepper and strawberry is an absolutely incredible flavor combination, and I wanted to add just a little bit of sort of spice to round out the kind of sweetness that we have going on here and complement the spicy characteristic of the rye spirit. So as we talked about, in order to be called rye, the grain mixture has to be at least 51% rye, which is a spicier, drier mouthfeel than what you would get with bourbon, which is at least 51% corn mash. So we're just doing a pinch, like about 1/8 of a teaspoon. You can always add more after you try it. Now we're gonna put our lid on here. Let's make sure I've got it figured out. Do it the right way. Align my arrows and snap it down. Now we have to lock the lid on. See what sort of texture we have here. So what I'm going to recommend that we do is actually pop the entire jug of the Ninja Kitchen blender into the freezer for about 25 to 30 minutes and let it kind of solidify for a bit, and then give it a quick blitz again in half an hour's time. And then it will be nice, kind of frothy, icy texture. Make sure you throw 2 rocks glasses or lowball glasses in the freezer for at least half an hour as well. You want to make sure that you're keeping the drink as slushy as possible for as long as possible. So I'm going to throw this in the freezer and then be back with the magic of television. Okay, so I just grabbed the jug back out of the freezer. I'm going to throw it back on the blender and give it just a quick pulse. Now we're gonna pour it. See, I have these really nice frosty rocks glasses. And we'll just fill it up. There we go. Looks great. Okay, add a couple straws. And then I have cut a single strawberry in half, and I'm making a little incision at the tip to kind of place it nicely on the side, comme ça. And then we're gonna add a lemon wedge just for fun. That directly in the glass. Clean this up a bit. And there we have our Strawberry Rhubarb Slushie to help you celebrate Canada Day. Oh, that is delicious, so good. I hope you make it and enjoy it, and don't forget to head over to my feed and enter my Ninja Kitchen giveaway. I will see you guys tomorrow.